Yes, and good day YouTube. Once again, this is Lightninglab. We're gonna do some tests. We're gonna test this thing. It's an 18-inch subwoofer by Lightninglab. Now let me see the label. So it says here, it's got 1000 RMS power, 2000 watts max power. The model number is LL2XL-18D4. So we get 2 coils of 4 ohms, right? 4 ohms in impedance. There goes the triple stack magnet. There goes the coil inside. It's about 3 inches. You got dual spider, dual progressive spider. We got 8 pigtails. Let's see, 8 pigtails. And got a very large cone right there. I'm gonna test it with, I think this one is 20 hertz down to 10 hertz, right? And here goes nothing. Right, see that excursion over there, that giant excursion. Okay, this test is about its excursion is about more than an inch, I think. More than an inch. Okay. We're gonna pull up the volume a bit higher. Right? That's how big the excursion is. Imagine this one is 18 inch. Giant spider going up and down. Okay, Lightninglab 18-inch subwoofer. Get this if you like to do whatever you like with your bass. I think this one is the biggest from Lightninglab.